Yeah, now see the next one, that is a fractional knapsack problem. Okay, let's see what is a fractional knapsack problem under. Okay, it's completely easy thing. See here, ma, a fractional knapsack problem. Okay, yeah, see a given list of n objects. Okay, n items. A given list of n objects, that is ah given list of n items. Okay, given list of n items, n objects. Okay, that is an item. Okay, how many objects are there? Okay, like that now. Okay, yeah, capacity of knapsack is m, that is how for example a bag. Okay, bag holds all the books. Okay, so here the bag acting has a capacity. Okay, yeah, capacity of knapsack is m, we are considering it. Each object, okay, that is I, capital I, has a weight wi, small wi, and a profit of pi. Okay, wow, yeah, cpi. Okay, see, wi greater than 0 and pi greater than 0. Okay, like these are the conditions for fractional knapsack problem. And see, in the greedy knapsack problem, the items can be broken into smaller pieces. Okay, see here in knapsack problem, the items broken into smaller pieces. Okay, yeah, if a fraction xi where xi tends to 0 to n of 1 of an object, it's the conditions. Okay, the objective of the algorithm is to maximize profit. Okay, this is what the important thing here. Okay, fractional knapsack problem, already this is based on the greedy technique. Okay, greedy technique means nothing but it is the main objective is to find an optimal solutions. Okay, now see, knapsack means nothing but it is broken, nothing but the items can be broken into a smaller pieces but in a fractions. Okay, see, xi implies 0 to 1 of an object, like that will be there. Okay, see the conditions, the condition is very important. Given a list of n objects, okay, and capacity is m, and each object, that is each object means nothing but the numbers. Okay, ஒரு பேக் எடுத்துக்கலாம் நீங்கள். ஓகே, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் அது அந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கலாம். ஓகே, ஈச் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ஐஏ ஹேஸ் எ வெயிட் wi and a profit pi. Okay, like that you can consider it. Okay, object means nothing but you can consider one company. Okay, IBM, TCS, Wipro, like that you can consider here objective object kanadukku. Okay, yeah, now see, these are the conditions. Given a list of n objects, capacity of knapsack, and each object I has a weight wi and profit pi, and conditions for weight and profit always greater than 0. And then what does it greedy knapsack means? It is more broken into smaller pieces, and fraction means nothing but it is expressing the things. Okay, algorithm is to maximize profit. Okay, this is what the objective of the algorithm. Okay, yeah, now see what the thing is happening. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, see the pseudo code. Okay, the pseudo code for a greedy fractional knapsack. Let's see the yeah, this is what. Yeah, now see the pseudo code of greedy fractional knapsack. Okay, pseudo code, it's nothing but algorithm expressions. Okay, see here, pseudo code greedy fractional knapsack, that is p1 to n, w1 to n, and x of 1 to n and m. Okay, these are the conditions. Okay, conditions we are framing here. Okay, nothing but our conditions, ma, don't worry about it. Okay, for every algorithm we got like this. Okay, yeah, fractional, that is profit means 1 to n, weight 1 to n, and xi, that is object 1 to n up to m. Okay, here see the conditions for I 1 to n. Okay, do, if I 1 to n means you have to perform this one, do p of I, that is profit of I divide by the weight of I, and then sort decreasing order. Okay, if this one happens 1 to n means you have to divide this one. After that you go for the sort decreasing order. And then after I equal to 1, while weight less than m means you can go for the inside the loop if weight plus w of I less than or equal to m. If this condition satisfy means you can go for this one, xi equal to 1. Weight equal to weight plus w of I. Else this condition is not satisfied means you can go for this one. Weight x of I equal to m minus weight slash w of I, and then weight equal to m. Okay. Profit, C profit plus P of I star x of I, and then I plus plus star. Okay. This is what the pseudo code of greedy. Okay. Greedy fractional knapsack. I think you little bit confused with this one. Okay. Let's see the problem. Okay. After the problem you come to some solutions for this one. Okay. Yeah, fractional greedy knapsack problem. Greedy fractional knapsack problem. Okay. Let's see the thing. Let's see the thing. See, I am taking considering the example here. Okay, objects, object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4, object 5. Okay, see, profit 30, 20, 100, 90, 160, and weight also they will give. Okay, that is 5, 10, 20, 30, and 40 is there. Okay, profit of weight and the objective. Okay, how I can solve this one means with the help of this pseudocode. This pseudocode I am going to solve this problem. Okay, yeah, now see, see here, compare with the pseudocode. Okay, compare with the pseudocode. I equal to 1 to n. See, the I is becomes 1 to n only. Okay, up to n number of terms. Okay, so after the step C, do pi slash wi. That means nothing but I am going to divide. Okay, profit with weight. Okay, that is C P of I slash wi. That means 30 slash 5, that is 6. 20 slash 10, 20. 2, sorry. Okay, that is a 10, 100 slash 25. 90 slash 33. 160 slash 40. That is 4. Okay, dividing. I am dividing here. See what happens. See, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay, this and all. 6 is obtained for object 1, 2, object 2, and 5 object 3, and 4 3 object 4, and 4 for object 5. Okay, object 5 like that will be there. Okay, now see in pseudocode. Okay, again pseudocode for y equal to 1 to n I have done. Okay, do pi slash wi I have done. Okay, now see sort decreasing order. Decreasing order I have to sort it. Okay, decreasing order. Okay, see what happens. 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay, see which one I have to sort this one. Okay, see first one sort decreasing order. Okay, so I have to go in a decreasing order. Okay, see first one 6, 5, and then next largest 4, and then 3, 2, like that I have to sort. Okay, see I equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, like that I am going to sort. And then after C, I equal to 1 while weight less than m. This condition I have to prove. Okay, see what happens. Yeah, I equal to 1. See here I equal to 1. Okay, and then I have to go for while weight less than m. Okay, while weight less than m. See here weight initially the weight equal to 0 and profit equal to 0. So see like what's the condition they are giving means, what's the condition? Weight less than m. So you see here 0. I am putting the weight has 0 less than m. M is nothing but 60. Already they have given here. Okay, that the thing weight less than m. Okay, 0 less than 60. So it goes into the condition, that is if weight plus wi. W of I means for I terms. Okay, over object, each object what is the weight. Okay, less than or equal to m. Okay, weight means nothing but the whole weight. Okay, whole weight, that is 0 plus 5. W of I, that is nothing but, see this one. Okay, 30. For object 1 is there no more. One object we have the 5. Okay, that is what here weight of I. Okay, Yeah, weight of 5, 0 plus 5, less than 0 plus 5, okay, less than or that is wi5 is 5, less than or equal to m, that is 60, okay ma. Yeah, see, 5 less than or equal to 60, the condition holds true. Okay, now it goes to here, now goes to condition true, so goes to here, and then see xi equal to 1. Now I put the term, one term increases, okay. After that, see, weight equal to weight plus w of I, that is nothing but I'm giving the equations. Weight already the initial weight 0 plus w of I now in the object kanadu 5, okay. So 0 plus 5, okay, that is now weight becomes 5, okay. Yeah, now again I am doing the comparisons, okay. Yeah, again it goes to the loop. See, no ma, if condition checked, after that it goes for this one, profit equal to profit plus p of I star x of I. See, initially the profit 0 plus p of I, okay. P of I now for I value object 1, what is the profit, okay. For object 1 we have profit 6, okay. Oh no ma, for object 1 we have the profit 30, okay. So now see, 0 plus 30 star x of I, that is the first one, okay. Items, okay, I equal to 1, that is 30 star y equal to 30, okay. That is profit equal to 30. Yeah, now see again another conditions, okay. Yeah, again first loop, while loop, okay. Weight less than m, that is weight is 5, okay. 5 less than, now weight becomes 5, so 5 less than 60, and then if goes weight, that is the 5 plus 20, that is next to 1, I equal to 2 kana weight wi, that is 20 less than or equal to 60. What happens? 25 less than or equal to 60, that is correct, okay. It goes to next term x equal to 1, okay. Yeah, weight, now see the weight equal to the weight plus w of 5, okay. What happens? Weight equal to w, already weight is 5 plus w of 5 weight, that is 20, so we are writing 20 here, so it becomes 25, okay. Now it goes for the profit equations, okay. Profit equal to profit plus p of I star x of I, okay. What happens? See here, p equal to 30 plus p of I, that is for I equal to 3, what we have profit 3, okay. 100 we have the profit, so 30 plus 100 into 1, okay, because I equal to 1, okay. Here see, if the condition holds true means we have to put x of I equal to 1, that is, even though if it is I equal to 2 or 3 means we have, if the condition true means we have to put 1, okay. So now see, 30 plus 100 into x of I, that is 1, okay. Now see 130, okay, the profit. Now again the loop goes on, while loop, okay. While loop, okay. See, now the weight becomes 25 less than 60, if condition weight equal to weight plus w of weight equal to weight plus weight w of 5 less than or equal to m. See what happens? 25 already there, w of 5, w of 5 40, 40 is there, so 40 less than or equal to m, okay. Well, it becomes 65 less than or equal to 60, okay. What happens? It becomes a larger one, no. Now see, 65 less than or equal to 60, it becomes a larger one, that condition fails here, okay va. Yeah, see, condition fails here, okay. This condition false, okay. One, now we are going for this one, this equations, okay. Condition here failed, okay. So x of I equal to m minus weight slash w of I, okay. That is nothing but 60. Weight equal to weight plus, the condition fails here, fails, condition fails, okay. So we are going for this one, okay. X of I equal to m minus weight slash w of I, okay, slash w of I. What happens here? What happened here? Okay, see, x of I, how the equation becomes means, How the equation becomes x of I equal to m minus weight slash w of I. It goes for this equation. So m 60, weight whole weight 25 slash weight of I, that is 40. Okay va? Yeah, it becomes like this. Okay, 60 slash 40. Yeah, now see. Okay, it becomes, see here, 25 plus the condition fails here, condition false, so it becomes 60 minus 25 slash 40. Okay va? Have told no, see x of y equal to m minus weight slash w of y. Okay va? That means see m is 60, weight 40. So m is 60 and weight 25, sorry 25, here 40. Okay va? 60 minus 25, 60 minus 25, 35. Okay va? 60 minus 25, 35 slash 40. Okay va? It becomes, we have to divide this one. Okay, yeah, see 60 minus 25 slash 60 minus 40 minus 25 slash 40, xi equal to m minus wt slash wi. Okay, this is for the condition. See 35 slash 25 is there. We have to divide this value. Okay va? We have to divide this value. If we divide means the value becomes 0.875, that is xy value. Okay va? Xi value becomes 0.875. The xi value becomes 0.875. Actually, see here we are 60 minus 25 slash 40. Okay, 40. That becomes 35 slash 40. And then answer becomes 0.875. Well, this is nothing but we are finding the xi value. See here, xi equal to w m minus w, that is weight slash w of I. Okay, that the thing is happening here. How the equation becomes, how it is represented. See object 1, object 2, object 3, object 4, object 5. Okay, for object 1, see for object 1 the condition holds true, that is we are putting I value equal to 1. Okay, that is 1 here. And object 2 0, object 1 3. Okay, object 4 0 and object 5 0.875. Okay, this is what the answer here. Okay, one more thing. Okay, this is the profit. Okay va? Yeah, if I show one more example it will clear. Okay, wait. Yeah, one more thing is there. Okay, if you see this problem you can clarify everything. Okay, see m equal to 20 and object are there up to 8. Okay, 8 objects are there. Profit 15, 23, 34, 47, 26, 54, 70, 43 is there. Okay, and weight also there. Okay, 2, 5, 6, 8, 4, 8, 3, 6, like that will be there. Okay, now immediately I will do that pi slash wi, that is profit of 5 with respect to weight of 5. Okay, what is happening? 7.5, 4.6, 5.66, 5.87, 6.5, 6.75, 5.66 and 7.6. Okay, yeah, next thing, see I'm sort decreasing order. Okay, see which one is the highest one. Here this one is highest one, second this one, third see this one, and fourth this one, and 5, 6 and 6 is there. Okay, I like that I'm sort decreasing order. Okay, by increasing to decreasing one. Okay, yeah, now see again the algorithm. Okay, now we see the algorithm here. Okay, in algorithm they asked first I to n terms. We have to go for that one. We have to go 1 to n terms and do p of I slash w of I. That also we have done here. Okay, P of I slash W of I, we got the answers. And then sort decreasing order. Okay, we are sorted here from increasing to decreasing order, we sorted. Yeah, next I equal to 1. For that we are going for inside I equal to 1, that is here we are putting I equal to 1 and it goes into the inside loop while await less than m. Okay, see here we are putting I from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it goes on. Okay, that's the why they mentioned here I equal to 1. I am starting with this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, now see the loop. Okay, if while weight less than m means what happens? Okay, let's see. Yeah, I shorted like this way. Okay, see. Yeah, now see. Weight and profit for each objects 1, 2, 3, 4 up to it goes on. Okay, yeah, see 8 objects, actually there is an 8 objects are there. I am going to solve this one. Okay, yeah, see how it is possible. I have done this one and sort decreasing. Now I equal to 1, I am starting this one. Okay, starting from this object, that is first object, I am going for this one. Okay, yeah, let's see. Now comes into the loop while weight less than m. Okay, actually the weight initial thing is that weight equal to 0. Okay, initially weight equal to 0. So initial weight 0 less than m. Okay, see here m is nothing but that is a 20. Okay, was 0 less than 20. Okay, yeah, and then it goes for the next thing. Okay. Yeah, yeah, initially weight equal to initially weight equal to 0. So initially weight was the 0. Okay, yeah, see initially weight equal to 0. Okay, see now here m, what's the value of m here? Okay, here we are seeing m value is nothing but that is 20. Okay, we got the value as m equal to 20. So m value becomes 20. Okay, yeah, now we are going to solve the equations. Okay, yeah, how we can solve this one? Okay, I from just a simple table. Okay, yeah, see 20 minus 2. Okay, 0. Actually the loop, how the loop becomes means 0 less than 20, the condition true. Okay, how the equation becomes means see 0 less than 20, 0 less than 20, actually the condition true, it will goes inside if weight plus w of I less than or equal to m. Actual weight is what is it? 0. Okay, plus w of I is nothing but the object weight. Okay, that is 2. Okay, yeah, see 0 plus 2 less than or equal to m, that is 20. Okay, yeah, it will goes inside, that is xi equal to 1. Okay, and then the next condition we are putting xi value equal to 1. Okay, weight equal to weight plus w of I. Okay, actual total weight, now the weight becomes, see here, now the weight becomes what? What's the weight? Yes, yeah, weight plus w of I 0 plus 2 less than or equal to 20, condition true, it will goes inside, and weight equal to weight plus w of I, that is the actual weight 0 plus w of I, that is 2. Okay, actual weight now is 2. Okay, now the actual weight becomes 2. Okay, now the next, actually now it goes for the this one profit. Now it goes for the profit. See, profit initial is 0 plus p of I. P of I, that is 15. Okay, that is profit plus p of I star x of I. That what happens? 0 plus 15 equal to 15. Okay, yeah, now next object. From the problem itself we can go for it. Okay, now see weight. Okay, Yeah, now we go for the second object. See, 2 and 6 and then 7 3 and like that it will goes on. Okay, 6 8 and then 4 at last, 8 6 5. Okay, like that it will goes on. Yeah, now see, 18 minus 6, that is weight, actual weight minus weight of 5. 8 18 actual weight is 18. 18 minus 6, that is nothing but, see here, second one, profit, see the second one, the profit is 66. Okay, yeah, weight is 6. Okay, so we are minusing this one. Okay, 18 minus 6, it becomes 12. And then what the profit? 15. Already profit is 15 plus the eighth object. What is the profit here? 43. Okay, see, 15 plus 43, it becomes 58. Okay, and then comes to the weight. Okay, already 12. Okay, actual weight is 12. Now minus 8. Minus 8 means nothing but the third one. Okay, decreasing order, the weight, the sixth object has 8. Weight equal to 8 value. Okay, so we are minusing here. 12 minus 8, it becomes 4. And then see here, total profit, now the total profit becomes 58 plus 54. 54 is nothing but, for sixth object we have the profit 54. So it becomes 58 plus 54, it becomes 112. And then same, the weight is 4. And then next object, this decreasing order, we have the next object, that is 4, weight 4. Okay, fifth object we have the value, weight value 4. So we are putting 4 here, minusing, that is it becomes 0. Okay, and what about the profit? 112 plus 26. For fifth object we have the profit 26. So 112 plus 26, it becomes 138. This is the total profit. Hereafter, okay, see here, the weight up to here, it is 0, and so we can't process it. Okay, so in our object state, see, 1 equal to 1, we are putting 1. Okay, yeah, and then see 5, object 5, we have done the object 5. No, object 5, that is 4, we have done that one. Okay, and then see object 2, 8. Okay, object 8 is also 1. Okay, and then object 6. Okay, what are the equations? Okay, in what other in the object, what objects, which object we have, we got the profit and weight value, no, that one we are keep putting the value as 1 1 1. Okay, this is what the equation.